Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ROKU, Roku. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, if you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link there. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Been doing this video analysis quite a bit. Did it multiple days last week, but after today's very strong start to the week, and I don't mean to state the obvious, but yeah, the price action was very solid, but then you look down there at the volume and very solid again. So definitely a nice breakout of, the levels that I was talking about in last week's videos. So if you're curious, you can just go back in the video archives and watch those from last week. But if not, I just want to keep things as updated as possible. And after today's price movement, like I said, definitely updates here need to be done. So one of the first key levels that I'll keep an eye on is what I would consider and call the ideal level of support. When we say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up there above 144. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 144, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a massive sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that would be down there at that former breakout point, which sits at the 139.50. So 144 and then 139.50, two of the nearer term levels. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that's where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there I am defining as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 144 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance now going forward? For this, I'm actually going to switch to the daily time frame here so that we can see things a little bit better. So next key overarching level, let me zoom back in here a little bit. And this is not an area that, myself has just discovered. I assure you, a whole lot of people are going to be watching 153 for this reason. But you go back here, you can see once, twice, three times back here in mid-September. Price tried to get above that 153 level. And actually right there, you can see it's acted as resistance previous time. So point being, there's just a lot of history. There's a lot of past track records of that 153 mark acting as resistance. So I'm not saying the price can't break above it, but apparently, according to the story that's being told to us here via the chart, the price is really going to have to bring it to A game if it is going to be able to break above that 153 mark and stay up above it. So we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, very, very impressive way to start off the week. So let's see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover three keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.